The next Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is shaping up to be a worthy successor to the well-liked S22 Ultra thanks to a new 200-megapixel main camera and the greatest chipset update in years. The next Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is shaping up to be a worthy successor to the well-liked S22 Ultra thanks to a new 200-megapixel main camera and the greatest chipset update in years. Surely, you're wondering what's new in the Galaxy S23 Ultra and whether you should update it. According to reports, the new S23 Ultra will look quite similar to the outgoing version, and it will also have an inside S Pen and a 5,000 mAh battery of the same capacity. While things appear to be similar on the outside, they've changed internally. Well, you want to know more? Let's get moving. One of Samsung's most contentious business practices in recent years will come to an end with the release of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Exynos and Snapdragon. The division of the flagship phone series into two models, one with a Snapdragon CPU and the other with an Exynos chip. One version of the S23 Ultra is anticipated to be released globally, and it will be equipped with the highly anticipated Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU. With no Exynos on the Galaxy S23 series and no other major phone manufacturer employing Samsung's chip, Samsung's efforts in this sector may be coming to an end. Although it is too soon to say if this will help consumers in the long run or not, it is a positive step at least for the near term. In comparison to its Exynos competitor, the Snapdragon chip that will power the Galaxy S23 Ultra is more potent and energy efficient. The design. Most consumers will struggle to distinguish between the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the S22 Ultra because of how similar they both appear. The 6.8-inch display, crisp corners, S Pen that is built into the phone, and even the camera placement are all the same on the new S23 Ultra. The phone will feature the same components as its predecessor, including an aluminum frame and glass front and back. The IP68 water and dust protection grade is also anticipated. The display. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is anticipated to include Samsung's newest and most amazing OLED screen, which is the market leader in display technology. The device will include a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a 1440p resolution, LTPO technology, and a variable refresh rate that can reach 120 Hz. Expect increases in the color quality and maximum brightness, but we'll have to wait for additional information. For a stealthy appearance, Samsung will continue to use front cameras with punch-hole designs. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is anticipated to feature an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor for biometrics, which has shown to be quite dependable and quick enough. With the front camera, the phone will also allow image-based facial recognition. Camera. The Galaxy S23 Ultra continues to be arguably the most adaptable smartphone camera on the market, with its main camera, ultra-wide camera, and two zoom cameras on the rear. The main camera received a significant boost this year. Samsung is switching to an even more remarkable 200-megapixel sensor after 3 generations of using the 108-megapixel sensor. As absurd as it may sound, you would be able to take 200-megapixel photos, but the usual settings will only result in 12-megapixel pictures. Android version. Samsung's One UI 5 will be installed on top of the most recent Android 13 version, which will power the next Galaxy. Expect to see all of the features that One UI is renowned for, as well as the recognizable Samsung-style interface and iconography. The longest software support is the best perk of owning an Android flagship built by Samsung. More than even Google delivers for its Pixel phones, Samsung guarantees 4 years of significant updates and 5 years of security updates for its flagship models. Without a doubt, one of the most significant smartphones of 2023 is the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It is Samsung's best flagship device in a conventional non-folding design. It has much higher prospects of selling well with the new Snapdragon heart in all variants, and a new 200-megapixel camera might just be the incentive customers need. Are you thrilled about the S23 Ultra? Well, with that said, what you think about the video? For more exciting and informative videos, keep watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more.